Welcome back guys, this is Vishu from Savage Camp, and in this video we are going to look at optional and required parameters that we can use in a function. So I have a small program over here which is doing nothing but taking in the name, age and city and printing it out. So to run this program I will have to call the function and pass in the name, the city, age actually, and city. So if I do this now, pretty simple, it is going to print it out. Nothing new about this, we already know this. So what happens if I remove London and I try to run this? It's going to give me an error. It says that there is a required positional argument city that we are not giving in. So I will give in London again and this is going to run. But what if you want to ask a user something? Let's remove the age. Actually, let's keep it over here. You will see why I was trying to remove it. But I will do a city is equal to London in the function parameter itself. So I'm specifying the city as London and I'm not going to pass it in here. And if I run this now, it is not giving me an error. It is just printing out the London value. So we have a default value that is set in the function itself. So even if I don't pass the value, it is still taking in the value from the default value that we set. Now what happens if I put Chicago? Well, if I run this now, what do you think it would take? Would it take Chicago or would it take the default value of London? So now it is printing out Chicago. So what you have to understand is the default value is the value that you give if the user forgets to pass in a value for the city. So if I run this now, there is no value for city and that is why it is taking London. But if I pass in a value, it is going to take the value the user gives. So suppose I change the age to 21. If I run this now, it is going to take the user provided values because we are giving the function values. This is when you forget to give the function values, that is when it would take the default values. So if I run this now, we have the age as 29 and the city as Chicago, which are not the default values. Now what happens if I want to make age as an optional parameter, which means that it has a default value, but I want city to be a required parameter, which means that you have to pass in the value. Now if I try to run, it's giving me an error. What it is saying is non-default argument follows default argument. What this means is there's a value that we are passing in which has a default value, but then the city does not has a default value. So if you specify a variable with a default value, every parameter variable that comes after this needs to have a default value. So you cannot just put some default value in the middle and then expect the other ones to be fine. So if I remove the city and I put age is equal to 21 over here, now this is going to mess up the whole sequence. So if I run this now, it says Vishu is Chicago years old and this and this. So I need to change this order and put 29 over here, and now this is going to run properly. Now again, city is equal to London, and now if I remove age, remember if you are specifying the default value, every variable after the specified default value variable has to have a default value. This is going to give an error because this has a default value. So every parameter after that, I can put hobbies, I can put weight, I can put height, everything needs to have a default value. So always remember that if you want to set a variable with a default value, put it at the end, and that would be much better when writing code because you don't have to worry about which ones are required and which ones are positional. Even if you forget, it's going to have a default value. So I think that is it for this video, guys. I hope you learned something from this, and I will see you guys in the next video.